Whoa, sorry bro. You can't just spook me like that. I'm a little afraid of sharks. Wait, how does that work? Does that make you stronger? Hey Gwen Stacy! You know that works!
I don't know. Are you afraid of spiders?
I wanna see ya. Nah, I didn't. Just like this!
Oh, cool. Ahead. Dude, I just had some good head right now.
I'm sorry?
You want some?
Like, as in...
Yeah, head. You want some?
I mean, no! Gotta keep it professional. That is highly inappropriate, ma'am.
I'm a guy.
Man,